They look like big, good, strong hands, don't they? I always thought that's what they were. Oh, my little friends. The little man with his racing snail. The nighthawk. Even the stupid bat. I couldn't hold on to them. The nothing pulled them right out of my hands. I failed. The nothing will be here any minute. I will just sit here and let it take me away too. They look like good, strong hands, don't they?
It's one of the quietest moments in the NeverEnding Story, and one of the most devastating. Because what breaks the Rockbiter isn't the nothing. It's realizing that strength alone can't hold on when meaning falls apart. I'm kmCarter, and this is the Mythic Lens. Mythically, the Rockbiter is a titan, the builder, the carrier, the endurer. Like Atlas holding up the heavens, the Rockbiter thought his strength could hold back anything, even the dreaded nothing. But in the end, he found himself in despair. Like the biblical Samson, finding himself defeated and humiliated, he shares annihilation with the enemy. Rockbiter represents every person who's kept their grip through chaos, only to realize sometimes no amount of effort or might can prevent the inevitable. When strength loses its purpose, it becomes muscle without story, and the psyche learns a deadly lesson. Strength alone can't save me. You can feel Rockbiter's lament everywhere now. Doom scrolling replaces vigilance. Burnout replaces service. Strength, once tied to purpose, has been hollowed into performance. We tell ourselves to grind harder, but for what? Institutions crumble, leaders disappoint, people withdraw, parents, teachers, pastors whisper the same question: why bother? It's not that we've gotten weaker. It's that meaning has. You can't keep showing up to the fight when you're no longer sure what the battle is for. You can't carry a world that doesn't believe it's worth saving. The Rockbiter's real tragedy isn't just loss, it's isolation. Strength can survive exhaustion, but not aloneness. Strength without belonging collapses into despair. Strength without a vow decays into mere performance. To endure despair and survive the nothing, strength has to be consecrated, given to something larger than itself. It needs a story to serve, a promise to protect, and others who remember why it matters when you forget. Strength can survive exhaustion, but not isolation. The Rockbiter's real tragedy isn't that he lost his friends, because loss is something everyone faces. It's that he faced his loss alone. The nothing feeds on isolation. Personal story rebuilds connection. So here's a question worth writing about. What are my strong hands meant to hold, and why? Because strength isn't about holding tight, it's about remembering why you hold it all. To explore this further, you can read the companion essay and guided journaling prompt for this episode on Substack at the link below. And leave a comment. I would love to know your thoughts about finding purpose to endure when your best efforts have failed. Trust me, whatever you're facing, you're not alone. Next time on the Mythic Lens, we'll meet Morla, the ancient cynic who talks only to herself and learn why despair loves an echo. Thanks for letting me sneak a little wisdom past your algorithm. Leave a like if you enjoyed it. Until next time, keep writing.